So let's see what we are going to be anticipating for the week on our GBPJPY. Now, to those of you that are new, be it you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel so that you will not miss out on any single updates we are going to be dropping for you guys. We all know that we tend to drop back-to-back updates and many of you tend to miss out on it. So if you, in case you are interested and you do not want to miss out on the back-to-back updates, it is very simple. Click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification, follow the Telegram channel. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel so that you will stay updated. Now, let's see what we will be expecting for this week on our GBP JPY. So first and first, we need to understand something, which is the trend. What is the trend? That is the question you should ask yourself first. Before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our GBP JPY, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear, no doubt, no argue, that market is in an uptrend move, very much in an uptrend movement. So this is it right here. Massive movement to the upside. Right, massive movement to the upside. Market has pushed up, giving us a series of higher high and higher low on your weekly time frame. So because of that, we will still be anticipating for more movement to the upside. So this is to tell you that if you are a position trader or you are a swing trader, what you should be anticipating for your GBPJPY is an uptrend move. Now, let's zoom it in. This is the first movement that GBPJPY was able to give us. When he did that, we had this back, which is an higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. And here is our higher low. Market was able to push up to form a new higher high, and here is our higher low. So market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now that market has given us the higher low, so market has now been able to push up to form a new higher high. So guys, this is the new high that market has pushed right to form. Has it finished forming this new high? Definitely not. It has not fully, and it has not finished forming the high. So that is to tell you that there is more higher high to be made, right, on GBP JPY. So let's go down to the daily time frame right here. So this year, market was able to push up to reject here multiple times. So market was able to push up first right here, and here is the pullback. Market was able to push up again right here, and here is the pullback. Market was able to push again to form new high, and here comes the pullback. Then market was able to push up again one more time to form a new high, and here comes the pullback. Market was able to push up again to form a new high, new higher high, and here comes the pullback. So markets push up and it formed an equal high, which it has not fully formed a new higher high. It only formed an equal high, right? It is just an equal high. This is what markets formed. It just formed an equal high, right? Which is not yet a new higher high, right? So with this equal high, market is rejecting from here. So our next movement on GBPJPY will be bullish move that will eventually form a new high. So guys, we should be very careful that because GBPJPY will most likely go to push up and break this high, thereby forming a new high. So the bullish move is what we will be anticipating for on our GBPJPY. For now, GBPJPY is just reacting at one key level, which is just rejecting from that key level, right? So once it rejects from the key level, fully rejects from the key level, we would see it push up one more time again to come back to retest the key level. Once it retests the key level, then it should break above it. So more bullish move is what we should be anticipating for GBPJPY. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, right, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. I'll make sure I give you guys the updates. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates and in order for you not to be outdated, all you just need to do, right, click on the subscribe button, right, like, share, make your comment, and also click on the bell notification so that you will be updated immediately once we drop an update.